Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the channel. If you're visiting for the first time, hi, I'm glad you're here. Relax and enjoy the video. And if you like this content, don't hesitate to subscribe. To my returning subscribers, you're very welcome back. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for sharing, liking, and commenting. So guys, I'm pleased to share this beautiful chicken slash meat pie recipe with you guys. The meat pie is very nutritious and very handy to have often, especially if you have kids. It's perfect for breakfast served with hot tea. It's perfect for lunch. Even at times we have it as dinner served with delicious salad. Anyhow you want it, it goes very well. So here are the base ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We have a white potato, we have carrot, and we have chicken. So sometimes I swap this white potato to, sweet potato, the orange kind of potato. Sometimes I swap it, but today we're using white potato. So I'm just here slicing everything up. You can slice it in any size of your choice. Here we have onion, slicing onion and pepper. Here I'm prepping the chicken, cutting it in tiny pieces. So I'm basically getting everything ready to make our chicken fillings. So we are done prepping everything and I'm gonna go ahead to start cooking our pie filling. So in a hot pan, add oil of your choice. When it's heated, add onion and fry for some few minutes. So here I'm adding the chicken and just basically cooking the chicken. I'm gonna cook it for some few minutes when it's half done before I now add the vegetables. So here I'm adding my spice. You can use any spice of your choice. I have basil, I have parsley, I have thyme. Yeah, all of those good aromatic spice. You can use any of your choice. Here we have curry. I'm putting so amount. Here we have chicken seasoning. So just use any seasoning of your choice. I've just added salt, and here we have our Maggi, and then pepper. So I'm just putting everything together. I'm just gonna give it a quick stir and then allow it to cook for some minutes. Cover it up, allow it to cook for some minutes, and then yeah, it's cooked for like about 3 to 4 minutes. So here I'm adding water. So now I'm gonna leave it to cook half done. Okay, that was so quick. So when it's half done, and that is now when I add the potato, carrot, and all of those. So while that is cooking, let's get our dough ready. So in a pan or in a plate, in a bowl, whichever one you have, add your flour. This is all purpose flour. Add as much quantity as you desire. Okay, so here we have 2 eggs, we have butter, and we have milk. So I'm just going to basically put all this in together and make a dough. Keep watching, guys. So guys, as you noticed, I added a bit more flour because my dough was a bit, sticky. So I just wanted it to be perfect. So I had to add a little bit flour. Yeah, although I didn't actually use water, I only used milk. Still, it came out so I have to thicken it up. But it's coming together beautifully. It is perfectly done now. So yeah, so here we have our chicken filling or meat pie filling. So I've just added a little bit of flour to bring everything together. Look at how it looks. That's how it should be. It should be clocked together. So that is done. It is time to get our meat pie going. So here I've just cut the dough in half, and yeah, I'm just gonna use rolling pin and get the desired shape, round shape for this meat pie. Okay, so guys, keep watching. It is self-explanatory, so easy to make. Okay, keep watching, guys. So guys, we are finally here. It is perfectly done. So I'm about to, brush oil on top so that it can come out golden brown. It is already looking beautiful. This meat pie was so delicious. My kids keep saying, Mom, I want more. I want more. It was so delicious. Honestly, it was so delicious. So I've just brushed oil on top just simply for it to come out golden brown. It is done now. I cooked it like about 30 minutes, okay, on medium heat. You don't need to cook it much than that so that it won't get burnt. So it's come out perfectly well done. It was so delicious. Everyone loved it. So we had it with salad and juice for the kids. Me and hubby had tea. So as I said, you can have it even for your dinner. This was actually our dinner that night. Yeah, it was so delicious and worth it. And the kids, they love it. Sometimes the kids just want something light. Yeah, it was really time consuming to make this, but it is all worth it at the end. It came out so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching up to now. If you watched up to now, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share my videos to your family and friends. And with that, I'm gonna say thank you, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Just know that Jesus loves you, and keep walking by faith and not by sight. Bye. See you in my next one.